Step one on any fence is to identify your corners, your points that are important, gate posts, locations. You stake your corners and run your string line so you've got a straight line to set your posts with. Corner post's always going to be the anchor to your fence, your foundation. So we want to go down in that ground at least 2.5 feet, and 3 is even better, especially if the ground's soft. We're gonna run a 6.5 footer for this corner post because this ground is very soft. I'm gonna be running a 4-foot rolled wire fence on this job. So I want my posts at 4 foot plus about 2 or 3 inches so that we've got the posts are definitely sticking out above the wire, but just a little bit. We've got our corner post in and set to the right depth. Now we want to set our brace post. We're going to lay out our horizontal brace, and right at the end of the brace, right at that joint, we're going to set our brace post. On this particular fence, the wire is going to go on the left-hand side, so we want all the knobs on all the posts facing the wire so we can attach it easily, attach the wire easily. We're going to want to set our angle brace first, and at the base of the brace post up too high on the corner post. Just run that in there finger tight to start with, then we can adjust it easily if we need to. Now we're going to set the high end of the angle brace, and we want that corner post leaning out about 1 inch. So we're going to drop that down 1 more bar. We want that corner post leaning out about 1 inch, and then it'll stay straight as we tighten up all the wires. Okay, we got everything set just like we like it. Our horizontal bar is nice and horizontal. So we're gonna zip in our screws, get our gun going the right way. We're gonna tighten it with all those bolts tightened up. That is there forever. It's never going to stretch. It's never going to loosen up. It'll be there forever, nice and tight.